We're doing 110 down at Sandy Beach in Florida. Next, we're bumper to bumper at over 210 on a super speedway.
Yeah, come on.
How the heck we get here? Progress. That's how.
Up into the white flag and the money takes the lead.
75 years of twisted metal, feet made of lead.
He taps it.
Clash.
Tail hits it. They're out of it.
Fighting for everything. Not giving away an inch. This is about 75 years of legends and their rocket ships. Each one built with one thing in mind. Get out front, stay out there. Because out there is where the future is. And if the first 75 years is any indication, you better brace yourself for the next 75. NASCAR, always forward.
And now, let's welcome members of the founding family of NASCAR. Jim France, Lisa France Kennedy, and Ben Kennedy, joined by NASCAR President Steve Phelps.
NASCAR fans, welcome to the 65th running of the Great American Race, the Daytona 500. This year's Daytona 500 has added significance because it is our 75th anniversary season. We've seen a lot of changes in 75 years, changes to our tracks, changes to our race cars, but the one thing that has remained constant is the most amazing fans in the world, and those are NASCAR fans. They are loyal, they are passionate, and they always stick with NASCAR. So on behalf of the France family and the entire NASCAR community, I want to say thank you for your unwavering support of our great sport. Enjoy the Great American Race.
Thank you, Steve. And now it's time to fire the engines for the 75th season of NASCAR. It's the 65th running of the Daytona 500. We've got several legends with us here today who have won both the Cup Series championship and the Great American Race. They're going to give the command for today's event. Let's say hello to them now. A 7-time champion and 7 Daytona 500 victories by the King, Richard Petty. He's a 3-time Daytona 500 champion and the 1983 Cup Series champion. Welcome, Bobby Allison. Here he is, 2-time Daytona 500 champ and the 1988 Cup Series champion, Bill Elliott. And now, 3-time Daytona 500 champion and the man that got the title in 1999. Say hello to Dale Jarrett. Next up, 3-time Cup Series champion and a 4-time Cup Series champion, Jeff Gordon. And now, 7-time NASCAR Cup Series champion and the 2-time Daytona 500 winner, Jimmy Johnson. Ready to start his final season, the 2007 Daytona 500 champ and 2014 Cup Series champion, Kevin Harvick. The 2017 Daytona 500 champion and 2004 Cup Series champion, Kurt Busch. And the 2015 Daytona 500 champion and 2-time Cup Series champ, Joey Logano. Gentlemen, let's get those engines fired up.
1, 2, 3.
Driver, start your engines!
Grant Marshall's who could